Hi everyone, welcome to eVidya Bag channel. In today's session, we will discuss something about Earth, some planets, and some important points about the geography. Okay, we already know that geology means study of Earth, whereas geometry means measurement of the earth. Okay, one more thing, we have that geoid means resembling the shape or form of the earth. Resembling a shape or form of the earth. Okay, if you study about the geology means study of it, geometry means measurement of the earth, geoid means resembling the shape or form of the earth. Those who study celestial bodies, we have seen about celestial bodies in the previous session. Okay, if you wanted to clear what mean by celestial bodies, look at the previous class. Okay, celestial bodies are those who study celestial bodies are those who study celestial bodies or bodies and their movements are called astronomers. Okay, what mean by celestial body? Okay, let's look at this one briefly, that the sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called the celestial bodies. The sun, moon, and the bodies which are shining in the sky are called the celestial bodies. Sun, moon. Okay, the study of these, the persons who study about all these celestial bodies are called the astronomers. Okay, we know that Aryabhatta is the famous astronomer of ancient India. Aryabhatta is the scientist and astronomer, is the famous astronomer of ancient India. Astronomer of ancient India. Actually, what he said means the moon and the planets shine due to reflection of the sunlight. The moon and the planets shine due to reflected sunlight. Let's move to planets. How many planets in our solar system? 8 planets in our solar system. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These all are the planets. 8 planets are there. Okay, Here Mercury is the nearest planet to Sun. Nearest planet to Sun. Okay, we already know that Sun is at the center. Sun is at the center. Sun is at the center. Okay, all planets move around the Sun in a fixed path. They are called the orbits. Okay, this is the Sun. All planets are moves around the Sun in a fixed path. These are called the orbits. Okay, which is nearest planet to Sun? Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to Sun. Why? Because it takes 88 days to complete the Earth. It takes 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Mercury takes 88 days to revolve around its orbit, complete its orbit, whereas Earth takes 365 days. 365 days. Okay. In this, one more thing, that is planet Venus is called the Earth's twin. Venus planet is called the Earth's twin. Planet Venus is Earth's twin, called the Earth's twin. Why? Because its shape and size all similar to Earth, so it is called the Earth's twin. And Pluto is a dwarf planet. What mean by dwarf planet? Pluto is the dwarf planet. Pluto is dwarf planet. What mean by dwarf planet? Dwarf planet is an object in space that is like a small planet, that is like a small planet, but does not completely fit, The technical description of planet. What is mean by dwarf planet? It is an object in space that is like a small planet but does not completely fit the technical description of planet. That is nothing but dwarf planet. Some examples for dwarf planets are Pluto, Eris. Okay, we can't consider these are the planets. Okay, so in 8 planets names we can't find all these: Eris, Pluto, and largest asteroids. All these are called the dwarf planets. Okay, let's move to Earth. Some important concepts about the Earth. Let's look at the Earth. Okay, this is the Earth. Okay, we know that Earth is the third nearest planet to Sun. Third nearest planet to Sun. Very important points these are. And it is the fifth largest planet. Fifth largest planet. Okay, which is the largest planet? First largest planet. Largest planet is Jupiter. Jupiter, whereas smallest planet. Which one is the smallest planet? Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. And Earth shape of the Earth is like geoid. Why we say that it is the geoid means because it is slightly flattened at the poles, so it is called the geoid. Okay, one more thing, conditions, and why we are very interested about the Earth means on the Earth conditions are favorable to support life are probably found only on Earth. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. Okay, and one more important thing about Earth is called the blue planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Why? Because why it is called the blue planet means from the outer space the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called the blue planet. And one more important point here is light travels at a speed about light travels at a speed about 3 lakh kilometer per second even kilometers per second. At even with this speed the light of the sun taken about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Okay, 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Okay, it is about very important points about the Earth. And let's look at some questions on this concept. Okay, first question. Now, which is the nearest planet to Earth? Which is the nearest planet to Earth? Okay, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to Earth. It's okay. Okay, next question. Which planet is called the Earth's twin? We have seen already Venus. Venus is called the Earth's twin. Why? Because Venus is called Earth's twin because its shape and size similar to Earth. Its shape and size similar to Earth. So it is called the twin of the Earth. And third question, Earth is nearest planet to Sun. How much nearest to Sun this one? Second nearest planet, third nearest planet, fourth nearest planet. Which one is Which one, which thing, that tell me which is the option, first, second, or third, fourth, fifth, sixth, which one? Third. This is the third nearest planet to Earth. Which is the nearest planet to Earth? First nearest planet is Mercury. Okay, Mercury is the first nearest planet, whereas third nearest planet is Earth, and Neptune is the last planet to which distance from the Earth. Okay, and next question, in size Earth is dash largest planet. This is the fifth largest planet. Earth is the fifth largest planet. Okay, what is the largest planet? Largest planet, Jupiter. We have seen already. Which is the smallest planet? Smallest planet, Mercury. And fifth largest planet is Earth. Earth is called the red planet, blue planet, green planet, yellow planet, blue planet. Why? Because from the outer space the Earth appears blue, and because its 2/3 surface is covered with water. Surface covered with water, and when we see from the outer surface, Earth looks like a blue planet. Okay, these are 5 important questions about Earth and planets. Which planet is called Earth twin? Venus. Okay. One more question. All planets move around the sun in a elongated path. Planets move around sun in elongated path. Elongated path. Not in rectangular path, not in circular path. It is in elongated path. Okay. And one more thing, asteroids are found in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Here it is the Mars, Sun, and Mars. Here it is Jupiter. In between these two we will see asteroids. In between these two orbits we will see asteroids. Okay, that is the question. Okay, asteroids are found in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Okay, one more question. These are the important question. One more question about this one is, farthest planet to Sun means which is the largest distance from the Sun is largest distance from Sun, or farthest planet to Sun is which one? Neptune. Neptune is very large distance from the Sun, and also farthest distance from the Sun. And fourth planet from the Sun is Mars. Fourth planet from the Sun is Mars. Okay, here first one is Mercury, and before the third planet is Earth. Okay, fourth planet is Mars. Between Mars and Jupiter orbits, asteroids are present. Okay, nearest planet to Sun we have seen already, that is Mercury. Mercury is nearest planet to Sun. Okay, these are the important points about this one. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Keep in touch with eVidya Bag channel. Thank you.